This is Rod Goosen, Spooman for Risk on December the 7th. A continuing video on both the 6th and the 7th using our premium indicator. And a couple of things I wanted to continue to mention about this. After we hit the low, right on the money, there it is on the premium. Okay, it's right there. And as we moved up, and of course, you're moving in toward, you're going to move up to the point of control here. So as we get a higher read on the premium here, and then another higher read on the premium here, you know, this is going to continue going up even beyond the point of control because of that high on the premium. However, as we moved higher, we hit this new low for the day on the premium. So that level, that particular price level is going to be tested. And you see that's exactly what takes place right here. Okay? That level gets tested. We come back down. We test that level here. And where is that on the premium? There it is, right in here. Smack dab at the turn, at the pivot. Okay? And you can obviously see divergence on the premium compared to the low in here, much higher, and everything is sloping up at this point. What about that particular high? Well, there it is on the premium again. Here's your high. You are divergent compared to where you were here to here. So you could have taken that short, and with good reason, knowing that this low on the premium here was predicting a test of that level, which in fact you receive. Boom. And now it's back up to this first high right at around 1 o'clock. Yet, when we compare here and this, we're still moving up. So we're not done yet. And in spite of the fact that we do get a pivot there, and the premium, of course, shows it, premium doesn't lie. Premium comes down into our first low. Generally speaking, not a good place to take your profits. Not a lower low here, but a turn. Now you get a new low in here, and you get a turn. But what do you get? You get a new low on the premium. Another new low on the premium right before that turn. Now, in today's market, a low at this time of the day, okay, you're looking at just before 2 o'clock, and you get a new low on the premium. But this thing continues to move back to higher highs, even through the overnight market into the early hours of Friday. But you know what this means. This means that level is going to get tested. So what do you want to do tomorrow when you hit your high and the premium tells you to short this thing? You're going to short it because this thing is coming right back down. And what's the proof? There's your proof. Here's your high of the morning. Okay? Right in here. 842. Now the premium turned a little bit before that. Okay? Premium turns right up here, and we continue to move up several more points before we actually get the turn. But our double vel indicator really shows that beautifully right here, smack dab at the turn, right on the money, right before this drops, the RSX drops below the zero line, and we're right at the high. Beautiful. We're coming back down all the way. Right at about 50 and change. So you don't even need to think about getting out of that trade. Huge move. Yeah, these are just huge. You do get some divergence on the premium in here. So, fine. Take profits. Take a long trade. But get out right in here. Why? Because look at our level here. Up here, 84. Over here, 81. You're divergent. Down we go. And we get into another new low on the premium here. That's not your low. You're going to go lower. And when you do, once again, you're slightly divergent right in here. Slightly divergent. But, you can just ride this thing. You can just follow it. Boom. Nice lower high. But now this is an interesting lower high because associated with this lower high is a new high for the day on the premium. New high for the day on the premium. Right there. You can see it. So what does that suggest? Just put a horizontal line right in here. Okay, there's the rest of the day. So what can you expect Monday morning? This thing's going to rally back. We're going to test that area in at around 65. So regardless of how we open on Sunday, Monday morning, look for that level to be tested. That's what the premium tells us. Premium doesn't lie. Let's just look at the rest of the day. So here's that divergence on the premium. Down we go. We already know from the composite market profile that below the area of 50, okay, below that area, let's bring that back up. Just a second here. The composite market profile below 50, shows the 26, 23, 25 level right there. 26, 23, 25. And if you didn't see our video from yesterday, just be aware that particular low value area is based upon the low pivot that happened on the 21st of August of 2017. We take it one day back so that we catch that volume. And that's the number that it generates. And what happens today? The low hits 26, 23, 25 right on the money. You don't get better than that. All right, let's go back. So now, as we hit that level, notice the premium here. Now we're just going to draw your attention to this primary indicator that we have on the premium right here. Here's your low pivot. Premium hits a low there at 30.30. Then we hit a new low on the premium right in here, 0.09, probably 0.07 to be precise. And then when we hit the 26, 23, 25 area, the premium once again is up at 43. right at 40, 43, 44, right there at the low. Big divergence on the premium, and up we go. It's that precise. The premium works, and it works quite well. So we'll show you how to read the premium. We'll give you the indicators to do it. And you will be glad you did. I'm Rod Kusunen, Spooman for Risk. By all means, come and take a look at our website and take a demo. We'll be happy to sit down with you for an hour, 2 hours if need be, and go over how we do this. We've got the system to do it. With the market moving the way it is, you can pay for our entire system in a day. You really can. I'm Rod Kusunen, Spooman for Risk.